Hey everyone! We get a lot of questions and comments from friends saying that they never know what to order when they eat foreign cuisine. So we thought that we would make this food guide for beginners. And today we're gonna go over Vietnamese food. So we went out to a Vietnamese restaurant and wanted to show you guys all of the common dishes to get you started eating Vietnamese food. We'll start with the appetizers. These are the fresh spring rolls wrapped in rice paper. These are the shrimp. They do come in chicken and tofu. You get a peanut sauce to go with it. It almost has like a very sweet peanut butter soy sauce taste to it. This right here is so good. It's a sweet fish sauce, vinegary type sauce that you would use. You could put it you could use it with the egg rolls. I also make my own Thai vinegar sauce. So if you are someone that does the same, you can do that too. All of those veggies you see in there are actually from my garden outside. So there's like Thai chili peppers, garlic, onion scapes in there. This is a red chili oil that we make. It's GreazyChinz's own recipe. Traditionally, it is used on Asian cooking, but we do Asian food. We do chicken, fried chicken. We do eggs. We put it on tacos. We put it on everything. So in the rolls, fresh greens. There's some noodle in there. Cucumbers, again, fresh greens. And then some shrimp, dipping it in here. Now I use the peanut sauce, but I also use the fish sauce too. Oh my Lord. It is so fresh. You can taste your shrimp too. Let's try it with, ooh, I lost a little bit of lettuce in there. Oh my God. I know fish sauce might deter you away from tasting it, but it really is just this very thin, salty, sweet flavor. It's really good. I would really encourage you to try it. And the shrimp in there is actually nice and salty. It's so good. The next thing that we want to show you when ordering Vietnamese food is a Bun Me. A fun fact about the Bun Me is that it's actually inspired by French cuisine cooking, hence the baguette that they use. This one is the pork Bun Me. So you get grilled pieces of pork, you get, again, fresh veggies, and you get mayonnaise. Traditionally, they do use pate. They did not use pate on this Bun Me. They come in shrimp, chicken, beef, tofu, pork. We're gonna go in for the bite. Whoa, that is delicious. The pork is extremely marinated. What tastes like lemongrass. It's sweet. It goes perfectly with the baguette. And the next dish, which is actually the most popular dish that you'll probably hear in Vietnamese cuisine, is pho. Now, pho is spelled P-H-O. So normally people want to say pho, but it's pronounced pho. Okay, so let's open this up. But a little quick fun fact about pho is that just like the Bun Me, it's also inspired by French cuisine, by a beef French soup called pot de feu. In France, when they cook it, it's cooked all together, but when they serve it, they take all of the meat and the vegetables out of the soup and then serve that separately, and then the bowl of soup just has the broth in it, and that's how they serve it. For pho, it's a little different. This is the beef. It is served all together. However, the vegetables are served separately. You want to take it all, your veggies, go inside. So you get bean sprouts, you get jalapeno, and you get delicious Thai basil. Sometimes they will give you cilantro, but this restaurant gives you Thai basil instead. Now there's different types of pho. You can get, this is the beef brisket. There's so many different, you can get shrimp, chicken, pork, beef meatball. There's just a whole array of different type of pho that you can get. They even have spicy. The broth it's a mild flavor. The entire soup is a very mild flavor. So a lot of the times people will add seasoning to it. You can use hoisin sauce, so they give that to you as well. Hoisin sauce, or you can use what I like to use and what a lot of people use is sriracha. Now this is the sriracha, the very traditional, original sriracha that you can actually purchase this off of Amazon. So you can put this in here too, shake it up a little bit, and then let's go ahead and just season our stuff now. And then I'm also gonna put a little bit of hoisin in there too. And then you would give that a nice good mix. I always put the lime on my pho. So you just want to squeeze it on there. It is a mild soup, but with the sriracha, oh, that sriracha is really good. You guys need to get this. Who put me on this? It was a Thai chef that actually put me up on this, and I got this from Amazon. It is a million times better than actual sriracha that you buy from the store. Don't be afraid to explore a bit. Now, the next dish that I want to show you is probably one of the most identifiable dishes that if you're just coming into Vietnamese food, you've probably eaten a version of this dish before, and that is pork and rice. You got some pork, you have an egg, sunny side up or over easy, but I actually like it when they make a omelet with scallions in it. You have to request this, otherwise they will give you the sunny side up egg, and that's perfectly fine too. That's traditional. That's usually how they give it to you. So underneath, let me show you what's underneath all of that, is fresh veggies, some pickled radish and carrots, some cucumber, and a little bit of lettuce underneath. The seasoning that's on the pork has a little bit of a Chinese 5-spice, a little bit of a hoisin flavor to it. Now this is straight off the bone. They don't always give it to you cut up like this. You can ask them to do that, or you can just cut it up yourself. Otherwise, they will give it to you with either one big pork chop or 2 big pork chops. We're just gonna eat the pork by itself real quick. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Okay, so that is tender, sweet, and marinated perfectly. And you can see the rice has been soaked with that sauce that is on the pork. Look at that. I want to show you guys the egg. All those scallions and green onion. What I want to do is actually dip it in that fish sauce. So we're gonna do that. Bring it back. We're gonna put some pork on top. Grab a little bit of rice underneath, and we're gonna eat it like this. My God. Let's take some of this pork and dunk it in that fish sauce. That sweet fish sauce. Oh yeah, delicious. This wraps up this video, and we hope that we helped you guys start your Vietnamese food adventure. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, what are you eating? Bye!